Okay, this is the chart of the year. The southwest has the number 8. These are for the sheep and the monkey. Hooray! So, sheep and monkey, you have the wet star number 8. Okay? Now, another one is if you go back from February 4 to March 5 onwards hanggang December is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Hanggang 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. All the 12 months are 8 for the sheep and monkey. And then there's gonna be 2 months in the 12 months that the number 8 doubles up.
Wow!
Okay, the month is 8, the year is 8, and there's gonna be 3 days of those 2 months that the day will be 8. Triple 8. 8, 8, 8. This happens only once in every 9 years. For some reason, the sheep and monkey, just for this year, happen to have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 goes of triple 8s. Normally, at any given year, 3 lang. So, hooray! Tumaya ka ng loto every day hanggat manalo ka. Huwag mo na akong talagang ng numero. Yung mga numero, sa'yo na yan. Diskarte mo na yan. O, magsuot ka ng free ka, tawagan mo si Frederick. Frederick, ang isusuot ko. Okay, game. So, these are the charts of the year. I'm just going to give you the summary. The good signs are the rabbit, prosperity. The dragon and snake will have the victory luck. The horse will have the windfall, meaning luck in lottery or sweepstake or pamana. And then you have the love and marriage or romance or traveling luck with the rooster. So I'm hoping si Luis is a rooster. Sana magpakasal na siya. It's about time. Pwede na? Pwede na ba? Okay? Now, the arguments are with the dog and boar. So kung may kasama ka sa trabaho, na dog and boar, mainit po ang ulo nila. Okay? The rat-born people will have the rubbery star. And then the tiger and ox, unfortunately, has the misfortune star. Okay? I will go through each one by one later. Next is our all-new almanac, which is the thing that you can use every day. On top of the planner, there is already the meaning. Kasi nung una, what we have is good days, the red and the black lang, right? Now, sometimes kasi, even though the day says it's a remove day, do you know that it's a good day for surgery, removal, you know, mga operations to remove something from your body? Okay? So, di ba? Mga nose lifting, hindi ko alam. Wala ka nilagay mo, di ba? You add something. So, hindi yung removing. Okay? So, hawakan mo. And then, this one also, it already has the guide there. Color-coded, so it's very easy to use. Monthly, you can already follow. Monthly, what are your luck of the house and your own signs. And also, the auspicious hours of the day. Again, I was writing this with all my heart and energy. So I hope you can make use of that. So those are the must-have tools. And again, I'd like to say that this year is the very first time that I made the attempt to write the individual animal signs. My laptop. Hello. So there are 12 animal signs that I'm writing right now that you can see individually. It's going to be released on December 20. Normally, I only write one book with all the animal signs, but now, this is the very first time I'm writing it individually.